Welcome everyone, welcome guys, welcome chat, good morning, good evening. How do you feel today? What's up? Ladies and gentlemen, this is where we are. How do you feel? Thank you so much for joining. Great to have you on board. Hope you got a beautiful day. And hope you guys are ready to go for our massive targets relentlessly. Where is the Nasdaq? Here's the Nasdaq. Well, here's the Nasdaq. Pretty close to the all-time high, just a couple of hundreds of points. Good morning, welcome guys, good luck. Stay strong today. We're continuing on our fourth cycle for the trading experience out there on the YRM. There you go. Make sure to share the live stream in all the trading groups. Invite everyone on board. We've got some giveaways today. You want to sign up for the link, and you certainly want to share. $125,000 today in 3 giveaways on our live stream. Let's go. Let's go, guys. This is where we are on the charts. The volatility is high today. You see that 5-minute, 15-minute candlesticks do deliver some significant levels. We have the 15-minute 200 EMA, on which we had a reaction earlier. And at the moment, it is sitting around 140s. On the 5-minute, this is a little bit different. We're dealing with a downtrending channel here. We're dealing with this downtrending channel. $282 on our daily opening. That's a lovely target for the longs. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Let me give you the giveaway link once again. You certainly want to participate, you certainly want to join, and you want to be part of our Discord. Let's just take things one by one. First things first, gotta put the like on the video. Hey. Day number 33 is going to be today, which means fourth cycle, day number 3. On my way for the YRM, $6,000 payout from a single account on the fourth cycle. Not going to be an easy situation. I'm looking for testing a short. And I just want to do my target. She's probably going to be around the $300 mark today on this account. I don't want to do more than a $300 my target. Basically, their payout rules are minimum 10 days of $150, and that's it, right? Respect the consistency and minimum 10 days of $150. That's it. You don't have a payout target. Got myself some fuel. Cheers, everyone. Great to have you. Added a little more to this. I'm waiting. That's my exit. 168. Good day, everyone. Great to see you. Yeah, I think we have unemployment claims today. We got unemployment, guys. Steve, you should be able to get that in a minute or two. Or maybe you want to check your spam folder. We've got the news coming out soon. Yes, thank you for your offer. 20 seconds, news will come out. Fill up the form, guys. Fill up the form. Look at that one. About to hit a target. Stop loss on break even. News are coming out soon. 2 points are needed downwards. We'll touch the break even. Unemployment claims. This is what we're having. You're gonna get a timeout, buddy. Good morning. Welcome, everyone. Great to see you. We're down $54 here. It's not scary. This is a downtrending channel here that's still respected for the moment on Nasdaq. The question is about the possibilities of reversal. There is a 200 EMA on 15 minutes sitting at 140s, and that EMA has been respected today. So all goals did react on that 140s today on that line. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Look at that. Our target would have been touched, but you see, trading the news is something that has unnecessarily risk exposure, and I'm not really suggesting it unless you are happy about the lack of predictability aspect. Trade of it accounts. No, YRM is not having trade of it for the moment. They're working on it. They're already setting up the deal. That's a very interesting 1 minute candlestick. It was all about pretty long wicks today, representing quite a significant amount of points. You see, the order book is thin, and the volatility is a nightmare in these conditions. Volumetric is volumetric. It cannot execute trade of 8 on it. Look at that one. Come on, guys. Good morning. How do I use the dynamic volume weighted average price indicator? Well, certainly, I do want to see that the price section on 5 minutes or 15 minutes did have a reaction during the day, which kind of confirms the algo's presence attached to that line. Otherwise, it's a problem. Right, so Otherwise, it's a lack of efficiency during the context, and lack of efficiency means that I'm not going to force it and search efficiency when there is no efficiency. Right, so that's one of the most important things, that you want to go 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and during the day you are trading, not the days before. You want to see markets reacting to the lines, which means bouncing, rejecting. These are the very important things. And that's basically the way I'm utilizing. Bouncing, rejecting. This is the, primarily way I'm utilizing, as long as it has prior confirmation and the market cares about it during the day. So that obviously this has to come in conjunction with the price action knowledge, with the volume-weighted average prices that are weekly, monthly, daily, with a trending line, supply, demand, horizontal structures, EMAs, daily highs, yesterday highs, lows, Monday, monthly opening, weekly opening, yearly opening. These things are all something that needs to be considered. Session highs. So there is a lot on the table that you should not underestimate. That's a pretty powerful move we got here. Did not expect it to be so high, so that kind of tells me the price action's behavior today compared to my classic expectancies. What's up, guys? Great to have you on board. Yeah. Great money management for sure. You know where to DCA out, fully get out, DCA back in the business. So it's a complex of things that we're all needing. It's certainly not something specifically that you just turn it on and it works automatically. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Exactly. We're not here, guys, to finance the prop firms. We're here to take their money. That's our #1 priority. We're not donors or, members that are financing these prop firms. Our community is actually seeking something else. I'm sure you guys agree with me. At some point, we might create a community-based prop firm. And our community is going to milk other communities and stuff like, you guys can decide on that, because it's going to be community based. I don't know what to do at this point here with the price action. So, we're touching the daily volume weighted average price there, VWAP, coming along with the downtrending resistance channel line. So that's a trending line there. If we got the breakout, you're not going to enjoy a short under that circumstances. But I'm basically going for at least an initial rejection coming through from here. Let's see if we get it. Right? We might get a 7-8 points rejection minimum. Let's see. Or this is going to be a continuous algo buying and laddering up. Have DC 30 micros. We have activated our first Lucid Black funded account. Guys, yesterday we lost 1 Lucid Flex. There you go, Jake. You got the inspiration, you've got the volume, and you've got the direction. It's just the execution, right? Let's see how we get cooked here. Look at that. Adding to this. Come on, bears. Time to make your presence here. You can be backed up by my volume. 40 micros. Don't be shy. If you do dirty, I'm gonna cut you, but instead of cutting it, I'm DCAing. Instead of cutting, I'm DCAing. Give me another 3 points and we start celebrating. Next candle must be red. This one. Come on, guys. Close red and we're celebrating. Putting the stop loss suit on break even. 2 points needed. Almost touched that profit. Almost touched that. I have to DCA. Keep pressing. Keep pressing, guys. Let's get cooked. 2 points needed there. Come on. Keep pressing, guys. We got the break-even set up. And the profit on the other side. Nah. That's a lovely trade. That's a lovely one. Come on, guys. You don't want to reverse it from there. Look at that. I'm going to zoom in. I'm not exiting yet. I'm trailing above the wick. I'm trailing above the wick, and I'm waiting. Oh my gosh, the trailing has been touched. And now it's going down. Watch this one going down. Look at that. Watch this one. At wick below. We have $81 profit, but this should have been touching our $500 target there, and we would have been on a nice... There you go. This is what's happening. It's not bad. Not celebrating this because I was expecting a little more than that 81. I mean, we had a realized loss of probably around 100, so there is a little profit there. But do not underestimate the fact that I'm going to re-short this one. Do not underestimate it. Right, so you guys are going for... Let's see. Double rejection here on the 5 minute. I would love to see that. Now, of course, it's not about what things I love to see. Got all those limit orders filled up. Let's see if we get rejected. If not, I'll take the loss. But if we get rejected, we'll see. If it breaks out here, I'll accept the loss. You know, we might break out after we do this. Right? We're gonna bounce from here, and if we break out like that, it's gonna be more interesting. Oh, look at that buying pressure that stepped in, guys. This candle is quite interesting. Let's just leave it playing out. Market makers are not allowing me to make money in the short here. Touching my... Not looking too good. Unless we reject. right? So the 5 minute has room of rejection like less than 2 minutes here, this 5 minute candle. Now, we are breaking out. Magically, we're breaking out. Accepted a partial loss. Another one. Let's see what's happening with this one. Not touching it for the moment. We're having 50 micros. Look at a 5 minute, guys. Touching the green line, rejecting, quite close to the resistance trending line and daily volume weighted average price. Right, so it's not really an easy spot of breaking out without massive strength. Where do you guys expect that strength from? I've DC'd a little bit to my short here, but of course it's risky. It's not looking perfect. Yes, there is. Usually I don't need any tremendous amount of points for my exits. Usually I don't need that. 7 points from here basically. Back into this structure. Trap some of the longs here. Take it down 7 to 10 points. Touch their stop losses and create some nice liquidity. Hopefully the market makers do have their audio turned on. Look at that. Come on, guys. There's a decent chance for this to reject that amount. Yeah. Let's see how this is going to be another time. What a buying pressure, guys. What a buying pressure. Look at that. Bulls are here. Nah, we had a lovely rectangle, guys. We had a lovely rectangle. Rectangle. We had a lovely red candle earlier that has been wiped out. I sold partially. There is a pretty strong risk of continuation for the upside, so partially sold. Accepted a minor loss. Add a little more to my short. You know, if it becomes ugly, I'm exiting again. What a price action we get here. What a price action we get here. All the way to 191 for my exit. We need 3 candles in a row that are red and confirm hitting the target. Come on, guys. We just cannot deny this one. It has to receive acceptance below 96. It's decent. Decent in the way it has closed. But that buying pressure there... Gotta put the stop loss on break even and we touch it. It's not working, guys. Bulls are there. It's not working. We had a good target. And watch this thing getting rejected and push all the way to my target. Watch this one, guys. Unlucky with that one. And I couldn't allow it without break even. Couldn't allow it. It's a risky spot. What's up, chat? What's up, guys? What's up? We're back. There you go. We're back in business. We got smashed by the market makers once again, guys. Gotta investigate why is that blue screen appearing. Gotta look into Google. Have to fix something about. Great, so... You guys want to see the breakout here? Connecting to feed on deep charts. Let's get it, guys. Come on. Let's go for it for a lovely take profit here. I'm not taking any profit, just stop loss on break even. Give me that lovely... Break even has been touched. This is ridiculous, guys. This is ridiculous. Oh my gosh. It's gonna get there. It's gonna get there. It's gonna get there. Look at that. This is like the 3rd time today in the mess. I'm reshorting this. I actually got a little bit angry on it. Nah. Got a little bit angry on that. No. Risky. Risky. Should have made money on that deep red candle downwards. This is the brand new 150,000, guys. Let's see. I don't like these two green candlesticks the way it played out, especially the last one we just closed. Good morning. Great to have you guys. Great to have you on board. Thank you so much. Bulls are here. Yeah, I certainly have to lose something in order to get my business going. I'm in the wrong direction basically today. Unlucky with my exits when there should be a profitable trade to capitalize on it. Not capable. This could be a lovely short. I'm not grading, I just said it could be. I just need the bears to step up once again and allow me. Hopefully this is convincing enough. Nah, look at that. Not making money this way with my shorts. We have that deep red candle. Should have made money with that. Now this is called chasing. Chasing. This is the way it's called. Look at that. You get the buying pressure stepping up there. Incredible. Gotta sell something here for this account. Probably the other one too. Gotta sell something. I did accept it a partial loss. Incredible, guys. Look at that. One minute algo. I mean, the hourly algo starts soon. In 30 seconds, we're going to get more details. The flat hourly algo opens up soon. Now looking good. Yet I'm waiting for the algo. Let's see. Lovely. Lovely initial rejection. Keep it going. Keep it going, guys. Come on. Nah. Have some limit order exits right there a little bit earlier. Keep it going. Keep it going, guys. Come on. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm out 570 profit here. And I'm about to make some profits here too. Right, I've sold partially. Right, we have 570 on the other account profit secured. I sold something partially here. Stop loss and break even. We've eliminated $300 of the loss. We had 1,000 realized. Leaving the rest of it open for the moment. Let's see how many people dump on this candle. $175. Let's go, guys. Come on. We're trailing above the wick of the current. We're trailing to the body of the current candlestick. I'm fully out. $281. There you go. Celebration time. Massive celebration time. Trading 101 on how to handle losses and how do you believe in your idea of shorts. Boom. When you see shorts possibilities connected with the missing of the strong bullish signals, you are forcing your idea. That's the plan. And the plan is always paying you. The amount of bull flags that I shorted and made money is insane. Thank you, guys. So 281. I'm stopping here. Why? Because it's sufficient. If the company is not requesting me more and it's paying me the same bread and butter, let me not be stupid and make more. Thank you, guys. No payout target for the YRM. Big discounts for the $150,000 accounts. Massive discounts. Here's the short idea, guys, we've been talking about. There you go. Unlimited money. Thank you so much. Make sure to like the video, folks. There's 200 people watching and 100 likes. This way, we will not do the giveaways. This way, it's not possible. No, you gotta be on our Discord, you have to subscribe, you gotta like the video. These are conditions that are mandatory to participate in the 3 giveaways we have for today. So, let's just look into the stats here. 281. Should be... Yeah, it has not been updated for today, but this is already day number... I think it's around day number 4 or day number 3. Yeah. We've cashed out 9,000 from this account, and we're going basically for a bigger payout, a 6,000 payout soon. Thank you, guys. $570 on the brand new one. Oh, it looks like we did not trade the one we have, the 4th cycle. Look at the rejection we got from there. Looks like we traded a different account. I'm gonna show you soon which one was that. Basically, we traded the one we have 18 days, with today's one included. 18 sessions. 18 out of 18 back-to-back profits. 2 more sessions here and we're taking the payout from this one. Yeah, on Discord. You want to drop me a message on Discord, and I'm looking into the... I'll verify and I'll update you. I think you can drop me the message on Discord. Yes, YRM straight to funded. Minimum 10 days of 150 bucks. That's it with the instant prime. That's it. 20% consistency for sure. Maximum 3 funded. The most preferred by people are this, the 150,000. The other ones, I'm not even suggesting them compared to the, cost you're paying for the features of the account you're receiving. The best value by far is in the 150,000. With Scramble coupon code, you have 90 bucks extra, more than they're giving you. There is a discount here. With my code, it's 540 per account. Minimum 10 days of 150 bucks, and that's it for the YRM. Straight to funded, yeah. So this is where we are, guys. Time to trade some more. $570 is great for the first day on the brand new account. $570 is great for the first day. It's great, $570. Zero cool, you should be able by sending me a message. You should be able. And I'm gonna look for your friend request too. But you should be able by sending a friend request and a message at the same time. Thank you guys, appreciate it. 570 times 5 because it's 50%, it's 20% consistency. What is it? 570 times 5, 2,850. You know, I think it's good for the moment. It's the first day. It's very important to start in green. But now I'd like to focus on my for the YRM accounts, I'm not copy trading, although they do have a integrated copy trader for free in the platform right there at the top. You can trade a copy trader here on Volumetrica with a dip charts. So, but I'm not doing copy trading for the YRM accounts. And then for our Lucid accounts that we're going to start trading soon, we're trading them on Quantower, and there is the integrated version of copy trader on Quantower. So the more I avoided copy trader and the copy trading, the more I avoided copy trading, the more money I made. The number of losses I had because of the decreasing of the pressure, right, were different. The way I've been controlling my trades were way more efficient, and the whole thing improved a lot. Great to see you from the IC New Jersey. Well, look at that. We do have some interesting situations here that might warm you up. First day, $570 made on this account. It's first day. Day number 18, second cycle, day number 8 on this account, 281. 2 more days and we're taking the payout. And then starting to trade my fourth cycle, day number 3, with this one. Very important. Yeah, it's fascinating. And back in the day, I've copy traded everything. So there was no copy trading. There was no copy trading, right? There was no uncopy trading back in the day. I was copy trading everything. Switch that and the whole trading experience has changed. You gotta test it out, guys. I know this is going to bring less money to the company, and I know you guys will use Scramble coupon code less. But that's great, right? That's great. We're all making money, that's the point. We're all making money, that's the point. You guys have to make money from payouts. That's my priority. That's the point. So, For those of you that are having significant difficulties, you can do like this. If you have 4 accounts or 5 accounts, the first thing you can do is split copy trading. 2 accounts here, 3 accounts there. Like do a group. I think first you have to be profitable with solo accounts and small groups of copy trading before you would go max copy trading. So if the company allows you to trade 5 accounts on a funded stage or 3 accounts, before you attach them all, you have to demonstrate and prove yourself that you're able to perform on a lower scale. Increasing the scale is not going to be easier. It's going to be harder. So first you got to make money on an easier scale, on an easier difficulty level. Trading less accounts simultaneously is an easier trading environment. You have to prove that, make money there, get some payouts, have some nice buffer, sit on 5,000, 10,000 cash collected from the prop firms, and then you can start playing some other games as well where you're hunting basically payouts that are 15 grand a piece by trading a single account. Because you do copy trading on all, right? So testing a little long here. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. We're soon starting to trade our Lucid accounts. 4 Lucid Flex funded, 1 Lucid Black funded. We have 4 more Lucid Black funded that are waiting to be converted into funded stage. We passed their valuations and they're paused. Missing to continue on that one. I don't like that. Let's see, what do we get here? It's not really exciting. Not that exciting on the price section. So I hope you guys apply the things that you listen. And you see the... Wow. I do keep control of my daily max loss limit. Depending on a lot of the things. I don't have a fixed value I go every day. I can accept 2,000 or I can accept 500. I can accept... If I feel there is room basically for a comeback, I'm gonna have more space for... If I feel there's no room for a comeback, then I'll take, you know, smaller losses. We have DC8 here. And as soon as this candle is reacting, which I'm... We're not looking good on the 5 minute, so we have to react on the 5 minute. Look at that, guys. We're not looking good here. You know, could roll over and then it's going to be deep. Things could actually. Well, that was a pullback and a minor support appearing on that pullback we bought into at 160s. And the markets could have bounced from there, setting up a, you know, double bottom where the candles are pretty much... Yeah. Not a problem here. And the way we have reacted with that wick, not an issue for the moment. Right, so we had a great chance there of a market continuation on bouncing possibilities 160 after we retraced. But it was a failure of continuation there, and I could have cut my position which is something I didn't done and bought a lot cheaper, for example, here, I would have been 10 points. That's not a good rejection we got there. Still have to look into the candle closing. Well, the 5-minute. I'm gonna grab a long here from this account with 20 micros. Like to see if I could do a little more, making it around close to $800, my highest day. That's a lovely initial move, but we're missing basically the continuation aspect. Look at that. It's just getting rejected, guys, back and forth. We're getting slaughtered here by the bears. And this account is not in a good spot at all. Stop loss right below this green candle. Stop loss right below this green candle here, ultimately, not leaving more space for that. Adding more to this. You know, I'm just searching basically a couple of points, guys. Come on. Hit that target. I sold basically. Nah. Sold partially. Let me see the other account. Stop loss and break even here. But I care about the other account a lot, because this is in trouble here. I like to decrease on my sizing a little bit. I think we touched the target on the... Yeah, we touched the target here, 815 bucks. Great. But the problem is here, guys, with my entry on 160. If this is still holding on the impulse, I'm good. You know, the inversion confirmation came in. And I'm riding on it right now. Third candle in a row, green. Look at that rejection. I'll take the stop right there, guys. I'll take the stop right there. Accepted the loss here, unfortunately. Had to accept it. And I'm looking to rebuy lower if I get a chance. I still think about an entry that's lower, and I'm getting back in my long. Good day, everyone. Yeah. We're putting some limit buys here. There's 10 minutes to go when the market opens. Thank you, guys. Good afternoon. Great to have you. Come on, fill up. Accepted the loss higher and got back in my trade lower. We have 20 micros. Trading our YRM account, 150,000 instant funded. No payout target on the funded stage if you are buying the challenges. If you're going basically with the instant funded, then you're no payout target from the beginning. It's just minimum 150 bucks per day for 10 days. We could have an interesting move here if we clear that 60s, right? And then I'm about to start trading my my Lucid accounts. Well, it's very easy to qualify for the payouts. This is why a lot of people get it. Very easy. 10 days of 150 bucks minimum. You have a $6,000 drawdown. 4,500 daily loss. 20% consistency. Maximum 3 funded accounts. I mean, people get it because it's very, very easy. No, I'm not using a hotkey. No, no. But it's not a bad idea if you get used to that process. I did not get used to that process and never tested, never experienced it, never exercised it. You see, this 1 minute candlesticks are very interesting, guys. I've DC'd a little more. We might not get that limit orders I have down there. They might not want to allocate that liquidity. So I got some of my position here waiting on board on 40 micros. If we get a nice runner all the way to 170s, which is something I would target right below 170s, front running them. That's going to be pretty juicy. Not selling anything for the moment. But we don't get allowed. This is not receiving sufficient liquidity. No, look at that. Every single little move, it's getting rejected. Good day, good morning. Great to see you guys. Come on. Lucid Flex is incredible with no consistency and no target on the funded stage, right? You just have to pass the 6% evaluation, then you're free to allow your winner make 5 grand in a day and then sit on that money nicely by producing the minimum next days, which are small deal. We have an $18,000 buffer because of that on one of the accounts. Stop loss is going to be here, guys, on break even. Stop loss is going to be a break even after this candle. If we receive another rejection here, there is a good chance basically we're going to see the price action going lower than 150s, which is my entry, 149. And then I'm going to re-enter lower. Come on. We've been just wicked out. And it's going upside. Look at that. The 5-minute algo, which is pre-opening, wicked me out. Nah. Have to wait right now. Have to wait. What do you guys think about this trending line we have here? we're going to get a breakout on the opening. We have a downtrending resistance line there. Yeah, Lucid Flex is amazing. Make sure to join our Discord, guys. I might accept this 1,271 loss here. Let's see. I'm not really bothered about it. We're profitable on the other two accounts. The account is only having 1,900 buffer more, 1,800 to the max loss, which is an original balance plus 100 bucks. This is the fourth cycle. Good morning. Fifth minute is touching this purple line we've been talking about, which is the 200 EMA. But that doesn't mean we're not able to have a nice wick below and start moving within the next 15-minute candlestick, which is part of the opening, right? You can get that 115. You can get that 115. We got some of the contracts filled up here, guys. Let's see what do we get after this move. If it's holding, some of the limit orders have been filled up. We've been bouncing earlier. Every time we've grabbed liquidity like this, we've been bouncing a little bit, right? So we got 30 micros. And we're close to the opening. Look at that. We might get something out of it. Stop loss on break even. I'm risk free right now. I'm going to allow this one for a decent runner. Stop loss and break even. All the way to 167 for my exit. That's pretty close to my trailing. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. There is a minute to go when the market opens. I'd love to have the opening coming around above 155. Right? That would be lovely for me. Having a spike to the upside, taking my take profit, and then probably opening the doors. Nice floodgate. 1 minute to go. Yep. I'm trailing higher. 145 profit for my trail. Right at the wick of this candle. I have to do it, guys. Very likely it's going to get touched unless we're extremely lucky. We touched that. 10 seconds to go. We'll see if there's something to be monetizing here. Best of luck, everyone. Wow, look at that. 160. There is quite of a lag here coming in. Market spiked 50 points. It's trading at 150s, 160s. Well, on this side, it's trading at 120s. That's an interesting buying pressure. I'm going to open up my quant tower too. We're in a downtrending channel, guys. Do not forget about that one. Testing a little short. I'm out. We made about $400, guys. $400 made in that little short. We're giving it back with this pump. Lovely. I'm out. 141 profit here. 141 profit here, guys. $141 profit. Back in a little long here. Of DC8. We touched that. 414 profit. Hey guys, celebration time. This is very important, folks. Very, very important, folks. We accepted the loss at the right time in the right manner. And then slowly build back up. This is day number... What is it? Day number 3 or 4 of the 4th cycle. We've hit the target. Here's the account. Trading session number 33. Great job. Thank you, guys. Yeah, there is a little lag there. We'll see how it works. I saw the lag too. There is a little lag there. We'll see. We'll see if it has to be adjusted. But I'm pretty happy we've secured all the 3 accounts on YRM profit today. And this is very important on the 4th cycle because the payout on the 4th cycle is $6,000 per account. About to test out along here on my Lucid. Have a look into that one, guys. About to test out along here on my Lucid. I'm out. $368 profit. Celebration time. We've hit the target, which is just 250. It has 169,872. Hey, come on, guys. You have to enjoy that. Come on. Thank you. Appreciate it. We have a lot of indicators out there. We have weekly VWAP sitting on the 40s. 26,038, 40s, around that mark. Yesterday's low, 25,993, and last month's high, 25,935. We've been rolling over that resistance trending line delivered. Let me show you guys. Look at that. The resistance trending line just speaks for itself. Extremely efficient. You guys remember how we were shorting here and making money? It was a bull flag there, and that's why we shorted, because it was a bull flag. And the amount of money we made by shorting bull flags is just crazy. I don't have buy and sell things. Time to test out a long. On Lucid Black. Wow, this is quite aggressive. On Lucid Black, guys. First trade on my Lucid Black, 100,000. This is the biggest account funded stage. First trade here. Around the 40s. You know, it looks like a knife catch, indeed. Let's go, guys. Come on. Partially, I'm out. Fully, I'm out. $404 secured on the first day. What's the consistency here? What are the rules? I got a big consistency. How much money do I have to produce here? Not much, guys, for the payout. I think I'm going to leave it like that. 404 made on the first day for the Lucid Black funded stage of $100,000. Celebration time, guys. I told you, the 30s around here, it is a very important level with the weekly. Come on. We're gonna short everything. Not worried about the bubble for the moment. We could actually... I think we have to consolidate. We have to deviate, in other words. Deviate at the top. Allow the retail. Deviate at the top. And liquidity is gonna move into something else. Maybe it's gonna be time for BTC, Bitcoin, and the crypto space to do something in the meantime. I'm gonna long this one. This is a funded Lucid Flex. Stop loss on 240 bucks profit. Let's go, guys. Come on. We can still make money. I'm looking for a deviation in order to get scared. A deviation that's going to last some months. Right? So the institution will distribute, will exit slowly, while the retail is buying in. Same story for the gold as well. That exit liquidity needs to be created, and they're not going to exit when the market is in a momentum parabolic growth. They're exiting basically in the highs when there is a deviation after the parabolic momentum growth. 150 secured here. Getting back in my long. The exit liquidity needs to be created. That's a lovely 1 minute candle situation. Let's go, guys. as soon as we hold. Otherwise, it's gonna be dirty. I don't want to see any crazy 40-50 points lower from here on my 3 minis. Accepted a partial profit. And I'm putting break even right here, guys. Leaving 2 minis open. No, they've touched it. But there's a $134 profit. Getting back in my long here. Little lower. Time to DCA as soon as we made a wick. As soon as we made a low there, we've been DCAing. Lovely. We're having 3 minis. Do not look into any video about Binance stuff and bugs and stuff like that, guys. Avoid it. We have DC'd again on that new wick that has been made. We're a little bit aggressive here. Yeah. We did not stop, unfortunately. We'll have to... We'll have to accept. We'll have to accept a massive loss. Interesting. I'm out. Some contracts. I sold one. Yeah. Bought back cheaper. Oh. And we got hit by that one. That was a 50 points drop. We got hit on that one. Look at that. Look at that, guys. We got hit by that candle. 50 points. In a second. On 6-7 minis. Yeah. Time to activate another 100,000 Lucid Black funded. There you go. Trading the next Lucid Flex. Oh my gosh, look at that one. What a huge spike. Yes. Yes. It's gone. I'll make a video. Last month's high, we're trading it here, guys. It's a possible reaction point. Around the 35, 40s. Yeah. Yeah, this is an interesting point here, 35, 40s. But that was a massive candle, guys, in a matter of spike. A reversed spike. This is a very important level here to respect. Speaks about the last month's high. Yeah. There's a massive lag right now on Quant Tower. A massive lag. I have 6,000 ping. I can see the real-time price action. On Quant Tower, we have a delayed form. This is extremely delayed on Quant Tower. Market is trading on around the 40s with a great rejection from there. Look at that. 45. There you go. Things are recovering. I sold partially. And I'm fully out here. 1,731 profit. 1,731 profit. Doc Pock, yeah. I'm gonna explain that, guys. I'll make a video with the YRM. I'll make a video with the YRM, guys. I'll make a video. I'll keep you updated today with the YRM. There's gonna be an upgrade. There's gonna be a change in the system. I'll make an upgrade, guys, in the YRM. And I'll post a video today on my YouTube channel. But we have a massive lag here with the Quant Tower. 1,731 profits secured. It's good. I'm gonna update you guys in the video. Thank you so much. Yeah, if you want to have the old rules with minimum 150 bucks per day and no payout target, you have to buy before 1st of February. By 1st of February, things will change, and I'm gonna update you with that. Yeah, I'm gonna post today. I'm gonna post today, guys, a video on the subject. I'll keep you updated on that. It's time for us to get into the giveaways. I've finished my trading with the current conditions. All the accounts on YRM got to the target. All of them. All the 3. We had the first Lucid Black that is funded of 100,000 traded to the target. We had 3 Lucid Flex traded to the target and 1 has been lost. But we have 4 more Lucid Black of 100,000 ready to be activated. We passed the evaluations on 5. We copy traded 5 Lucid Black of 100,000. We passed the evaluation on all the 5 and they're waiting to be upgraded. 1 has been upgraded yesterday and we traded today. The first day we made 400 And then we're going to activate another one. Yep. Good. So it's time for the wheel. It's time for the wheel, guys. It's time for the giveaway. Make sure to join our Discord. I'm gonna make a video about YRM. Keep that in mind. I'll make a video. I'll explain you the way it works. I'm gonna detail everything you need to know in a video posted on my channel. I'm gonna post about it on my Discord, on my channel. And there's gonna be an email sent out. So it's time for the wheel. So I'm gonna keep you updated on that. First giveaway is gonna be Top 1 Futures, $25,000. End of the day drawdown, instant funded. But before we touch the ducks, you certainly want to see the wheel. No, it's a different structure in terms of the numbers. You guys will see that. There you go. It's going to be a different structure for the numbers. So, how to participate? Make sure to complete a form, guys. Here's the form. You have to complete it. The next thing. You have to like the video, guys. You have to like the video. You gotta be subscribed. You gotta be subscribed. You gotta join my Discord. We're streaming from 8 AM daily with giveaways, live trading education, and an amazing community, I would say. But we do have giveaways daily. Very important. No more 10 days, probably. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Well, if you have, you know, my standpoint for the Lucid Flex question is, if you have the ability to have 5 Lucid Flexes, then grab 5. Do only 2 on copy trading, and the rest of the 3 accounts, trade them solo. That's going to increase your chances for the payout, that combination. Right? So 2 in a copy traded formula, and the rest of the 3 solo. Especially right now, Lucid, all the evaluations are maximum discount at 40%. That's kind of big. No activation fee, basically. No activation fee for what we're giving right now in the giveaway is Top 1 Futures, 25K, end of the day instant funded. Right? So, did you like the video? Are you subscribed? Lucid Flex is beginner friendly. The 50,000 Lucid Flex is the beginner friendly, right? Yeah, the Flex is the beginner friendly right there. Great, guys. So let me think about the numbers. You want to listen for the ratios we've got here. You want to listen. We're going to have a 000, triple number 1, 555, a 777, and a single number 8. Best of luck, guys. You can start right now. We have 3 giveaways. This is the first. Look at that. 000, 111, 555, 777, and a single number 8. Best of luck, guys. And keep in mind, for the YRM announcement, I'll make a video today and post it on my channel. I'll make a video soon. And I'll explain all that stuff to you. Best of luck, everyone. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. Stop right there, guys. We're going to shuffle this. With the number 8 sitting on the green. Best of luck, everyone. That's not going to be the 0, guys. We have the triple number 1 coming up, and we're not going to get through that. That's going to be very likely the blue will be the blue number 1. Triple 1. Look at that, guys. You got no choice. You have to accept it. It's going to be the blue. Imagine that blue number 1 would have been a different number. We've been sitting on that red number 1 for a while, and the blue came out. Congratulations for the winner. Triple 1 right here next to you. This is a Tap on Futures $25,000 instant funding account. End of the day drawdown, so it's really valuable out there. $37 winners. Look at that. 37. 30 seconds competition time for that. Shuffle and get started. Best of luck, guys. Best of luck, guys. Yes, I'm gonna make a video, guys, with the YRM. They just posted while we were on the stream, but I'll make a video. Mike has. Mike Easy. 857, you've made this. Mike, congratulations, buddy. Look at that, Mike. We're gonna give some timeouts here for people that are messing around. Let's see if you completed a form, Mike. We're gonna find it out if you are here, Mike. Mike Easy. Yes. Mike Easy 857 did complete a form. Congratulations. Tap on Futures $25,000 instant funding account goes out to you. Instant funded. Congrats, buddy. Time for the next one. Time for the next wheel. We're gonna set up different numbers. Different numbers. Second giveaway will be 50,000 Lucid Flex. 000, 777, triple number 8, and a single number 1. You can start right now. Triple 0, 777, 888, and a single 1. Best of luck, guys. If we have more than 100 winners for one of the numbers, we obviously have 2 rounds of duck races with a top 3 qualifying in the second round. Let's go. Let's go. Thank you so much, guys. We had some lag on the X feed for the volumetric earlier. I was looking at the price section on TradingView. Oh, Look at a huge drop. We're getting Nasdaq down to 800. Stop right there. No more guesses. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. We're going to shuffle this and leave it to fly. Best of luck, everyone. Good luck, guys. Come on. Trading down at 800. That number 1 is not going to be. The fight is between the 7, 0, and 8. 0 is not going to be for sure. That number 8 on yellow is what I think, guys. I don't think we have enough strength for the 7. No, the paddle is not pushing through. Break is functioning better today. That's number 8. Trading below 800s on Nasdaq. Ooh. 800 right there. Everything is lagging today. Number 8, congratulations for the winners. Great job. Great job with the winners. Good job, guys. Thank you. So, you guys think it's going to be 100 again? Let's find it out. 80. 80 winners on board. Competing for, let's put them a minute. This is a $50,000 Lucid Flex account. 80 minutes, not 80 minutes, but 80 winners competing for a minute. Thank you, guys. Let's go. Best of luck, everyone. Come on. Yeah, today is YouTube is functioning, guys. Today, not an issue. Yesterday we had YouTube with problems. Yeah, there's around 230, 240 people. Good luck, best of luck, guys. Thank you so much. Where's the super duck? Winner, winner, duck dinner. Time to hope, Maddie. 6 seconds. Who's going to speed up right now? Someone from behind. Unknown. Unseen till this moment. But we got Dilson's making through with a pink one. There you go. Congratulations. And then we have Sabrina. And then you have Anton. But we've got only Dilson's. Because it's not more than 100 winners here. It's just 80. Dilson's. Did you got the form? Yes, you got the form. You are confirmed. $50,000 Lucid Flex. That's a big money right there. What's happening on the Nasdaq? We got one more giveaway. But I just want to look into... Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, this is heavy. This is heavy. There's something happening in the markets. And we don't like that. However, we got to get back into our last giveaway. So this giveaway is going to be for the YRM. Keep this in mind. Today, I'm going to post a video with the YRM updates made. I'll make a video and I'll post it on my channel. I'll make an announcement on my Discord and I'm going to send you an email. Let me show you guys. We're going to have 2 different numbers only. 5 number 7 and 5 number 8. And that's it. You can start right now. You can start right now. 2 different numbers only. 5 number 7, 5 number 8. Let me know, guys. You got a decent chance here, I mean. This is going to be the 3rd giveaway for today. $50,000 YRM account. 50 grand YRM account. 3rd giveaway for today. For the prop firm, I'm going to make a video and publish today to get all of you into the business of what's happening. They have an announcement, they have an update, they have an upgrade. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Careful with the spamming. because you're going to get timed down. Careful out there with the spamming. And that's it. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. Stop it. The guy that said start is going to get banned right now on a nice timeout of 10 minutes. Just you know, making sure he's missing. And if for some reason he's going to win, you're not going to be allowed. Right? So let's just shuffle them, guys, this way. Pretty mixed up, right? Best of luck, everyone. Come on. Jake, I think you missed out. Jake, I think you missed out. You came in, I think, too late. Yeah. But watch out. It's going to be the number 8 at this time. It's going to be the number 8, guys. Congratulations. That's how we have the pedal set up. Now, you've been dropping the comment after the stop command. Ah, so you basically got your number 8 a little bit earlier. Alright, that's fine. That's the number 8. Congratulations for the winners. I think we're going to have more than 100. What do you guys think about? You see, this is the magic number today. Number 8. Great, congratulations. Let's set up the duck race. If we have more than 100, there's going to be 2 rounds. Jake is actually the first one that... It's 104, guys. It's 104 winners. Jake is the first one there. It's 104 winners, which means we're having 2 rounds, and you guys will compete for 2 minutes. You guys will have to swim for damn 2 minutes, bringing together your chance to qualify for the second round of this massive giveaway. $50,000 YRM account. But there's 2 rounds for sure. This way you can have more fun. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. Let's raise the bar. We had a very good day. You know, I'm extremely satisfied on any trading day on which on that day number 3 or 4 on that 4th cycle account. I'm obsessed with that 4th cycle $6,000 payout account. I'm obsessed with that. Who's dominating here, guys? And why are you pushing so early when there's still a minute to go? We only see around 30 to 40 ducks. And the rest of the half is pretty much resting. You know, because that's the key, guys. You gotta do some resting, some energy management. We'll certainly gas out. That's a good one, Jake, yeah. Look at a Quantum taking a lead. How do you claim your account? You send me a message on Discord. And you claim the account. This is not the first time you're winning, Dilsons. Is your account hacked or something? Numero 2 e 4. Who's leading, guys? Come on. Giovanni. Destiny. And now it's the time. And the Crypto Maxi is right here taking the lead, guy, with number 120, 103. The Crypto Maxi. And then what's next? Well, we have Techniques and P as soon as possible. We have some more here. For example, the rank number 4, it's sweating around. AD is quite close, but let's see if this guy's completed a form. The Crypto Maxi. The Crypto, did you complete a form? Yes, you did. So the first one is confirmed. Second one. Technic. Are you here? Technic Scalp. Yes, you're confirmed as well. And even the third one having its name correctly written. Congratulations. Look at that one. So pretty much, we've got all the three. All the three. No one missed out on filling up the form. Thank you. Thank you, buddy. That's a great one. So let's go to the second round. The Crypto Maxi techniques. These are the three winners. You guys will go on the 30 seconds. Not 3 minutes. 30 seconds. Start right now. Best of luck, everyone. Who's gonna win? Tell me, chat. Who's gonna win? Who are you cheering for? Come on, guys. Yeah, oh my gosh. The Crypto Maxi. Thank you guys, appreciate it. The Crypto Maxi leading and dominating, winning this one. Congratulations, there you go. We got the king with the crown. Good job, the Crypto Maxi. Congratulations. Congratulations out there. Thank you guys once again. Thank you once again for the lovely time. And be careful when looking at the markets. You have to be extremely careful, I would say, out here. Look at that. Crazy wild markets dumping. And that's going to be painful. So make sure to sit tight and be careful. Reach out, winners, on Discord. Have a lovely day, guys. I'm gonna make a video for the YRM. Keep that in mind. I'll make a video for the YRM. I'll post a review. I'll add you on the latest updates. And I'll let you know what's happening. Thank you so much once again, guys. Have a lovely day. Have a lovely time. We're looking forward to